Well, we've got U.S. stocks here trading a little bit higher, but drifting around a little bit, and even in the pre-market, sort of bouncing between gains and losses. Let's check on what's happening in European markets. However, Kumutha Ramanathan is joining us right now from the UK. So, what's the latest? What stands out to you in today's session?
Well, it's actually been a rather subdued session, Julie, here in Europe. Now, markets are very much bracing for the massive vaccine rollout. In the FTSE, specifically in the UK, we're also dealing with the extension of Brexit talks. But going back to the vaccine rollout, looking at the FTSE exactly, it was flat today. CAC 40 was also down, as well as Germany's DAX. Now, European case counts have stabilized in Germany, in Italy, as well as the UK as well. Now, one of the big issues we have here, of course, is Europe is famous for ski resorts. So governments are trying to coordinate their responses and overall are saying that they're going to keep them closed to keep the numbers lower. And European Medicine Agency, that's the one that's regulating vaccine rollout. They say that they could have a decision and rollout overall across the continent as early as December 29th.
And as we look at the rollout of the vaccine in the UK, Boris Johnson has made some comments about that it's going to be tough to do.
Absolutely. Logistically, this is not going to be an easy process. Largely, that is because we know that the vaccines need to be stored at very, very low temperatures. So you can't necessarily just walk into a pharmacy and get it done. So what he has said is that the priority groups, that includes people who are vulnerable, that could be the elderly, that could be frontline workers. They are going to be the first to access the vaccine. And then after that, we're going to be looking at the other groups. But he says it could still be a few more months before the vaccine is rolled out to everybody. And as that happens, logistically, hopefully the vaccine will be passed on to pharmacies as well as family doctor offices. So it will be easier to access. So definitely lots of hope there, but lots to watch for.
Indeed. And managing expectations there on the part of Boris Johnson. Thank you so much, Kumutha. Appreciate it.